In this video, we want to see what the FLUX AI is and how we can use it. This AI is the newest text-to-image model, meaning you give it a prompt and it generates an image. We've had similar examples before, like Midjourney, DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, and others you probably know. But FLUX differs from other previous AIs in its incredible power with prompts, which it executes very precisely, and it implements everything in your prompt within the image. And it also understands texts and writings very well, and places the texts in the image with great accuracy. Here's a prompt that's been used. The person who generated this image asked for this text to be in the image. This AI doesn't make mistakes, and in 99% of cases, it adheres to the text you write when generating the image. In previous AIs, we haven't had this level of accuracy and quality until now. And apart from that, it can generate hands and feet, which were previously very problematic, very easily, and it usually performs very well. You'll see images that it generates for you are of exceptional quality. I can confidently say that it is the most powerful free text-to-image AI at this time. And regarding the creators of this AI, the people behind this system are the same ones who created Stable Diffusion, so they have experience in this area. I won't make the introduction too long. Let's move on to using FLUX. This AI has been released in 3 versions: Pro, Dev, and Schnell. The Pro and Dev versions are the most powerful, and you can use them if you want the highest quality. The Schnell version has lower quality, but is faster. For using FLUX, 2 main methods. One is using online websites, which use the FLUX AI model and very easily and simply create images for you. If you don't want to go through the hassle, and don't want to get too involved in installing FLUX on your system, but if you want to create images without limits and in any quantity you want, the best way is to install FLUX on your own system. Now I'll show you some examples of generated works on this site that others have created using FLUX on this site. If you want to see the prompt, it will show you here, and you can use this prompt or change it and use it, and get inspiration from them. This site is currently free, but it's unclear how long it will remain free and what will happen in the future. For now, you can use this site. If they impose restrictions, or if you want more features for FLUX, like the features we have in Stable Diffusion, such as editing an image or creating a new image based on a specific structure and having many more features, in this case, you can install FLUX on your personal system, which has its own complexities. I end this video. I want to tell you about both methods. On the web, you come to the fluxpro.art website. When you visit the site, you will see this page. In the login section, you can enter this site with your Google account, so you must have a Google account. After you log into your account, you'll see a page like this. Your account name will appear here, and in the Create section, you can enter the text command you want to convert into an image. I give it a prompt. For example, an anthropomorphic tiger wearing a black cap with tiger written in gold letters and sunglasses. You can write more details. In this section, you can specify the aspect ratio of the image, which is the ratio of width to height. If you want it to be square, the width to height ratio is 1:1, so you choose the first option. If you want a different ratio, for example, you want to post it as an Instagram story, the ratio of Instagram stories is 9:16, meaning the width is 9 and the height is 16. Or you want to post, you can set the ratio to 5:4:45 or 4:3 and 4. You can choose any dimensions you want. The safety section. You specify whether the image you create should be suitable for ages 18 or under 18. If you choose safe, the image will be appropriate for under 18 audiences and there won't be any explicit content. If you select the other option, it will generate images that are suitable for adults only 18. After personalizing the settings, hit Generate. Wow, that's amazing. In addition to high quality of photo, hat and glasses on the head of tiger, have been placed naturally. The phrase tiger on the hat is in a font and color that match the image style. Even the brand name of the glasses is included. These pictures are a very good example of this AI's ability to generate images. This image shows that artificial intelligence can be used as a powerful tool. Let's install FLUX on the system. Download Hugging Face. The download link is in the description. Now you need to download the FLUX model that is compatible with your system. Extract the Stable Diffusion Web UI Forge and click on the Update Dobat file. Wait for it to update. You can copy the FLUX model file into the Web UI Models Stable Diffusion folder. Now run FLUX and let it start. To learn more about FLUX, follow us and watch the videos.